Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you like quick and easy craft and DIY projects, some clearance finds, a couple haul videos, rescue puppies, and some randomness, then you're in the right place. I use items mostly from the Dollar Tree, but you can find similar items at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, thrift stores, or sometimes even garage sales. Today we are jumping on the nautical bandwagon. Don't click off if you're not a nautical fan. Trust me. You might be saying, Mercedes, I don't like nautical. It's not my jam. Well, you know what? It ain't mine either. But I got you. Trust me. These projects today, you can use the concept of the projects to make everyday home decor not nautical. I'm just going to be using some of the new nautical items from the Dollar Tree. I'll even tell you how you can use the items as everyday decor and not nautical. So come on, stick with me. It'll be fun. If you like this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Come on, join my family. I'm at 335 subscribers. When I get to 400, I'm doing a giveaway to say thank you for supporting my channel. As always, there will be a list of the supplies needed in the description box below. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, for this first project, you'll need the silver plastic napkin rings from the Dollar Tree. And then some of these nautical pins or these DIY pins, whichever you want to choose. And then you'll also need a glue gun. So this one is so easy, you guys. It's super cool. So you're just going to take one of these rings and whatever pin that you want to use. I kind of like the whale. I like the whale. We're going to go with the whale, guys, but you can do whatever you want. And you're going to take your little whale pin and you're just going to theoretically pop this off. Maybe. We'll see. There we go. You got them off. Yay. So pop the whale pin off. And then you're going to put some glue on your napkin ring. And then you're going to stick Mr. Whale on. So that way, you have this super cute little whale napkin ring that you can use at your dining room table. And as I mentioned, they have all the different other ones. You could do a sailboat, you could do a fishy, or you could use these and use whatever you want to glue on there, like a flower or a button or something fun to change it up from nautical to everyday decor. All right, we have another super easy one coming your way, y'all. So you'll need a tin bucket from the Dollar Tree and one of these packs of either sand dollars or Starfish and a glue gun. So you're going to crack open one of these containers, whichever one you want to use. Look at that, they untie. How cool is that? So we're going to actually, you know what? I don't want to do the Starfish. I want to do the sand dollar. Changed my mind. All right. So I'm going to take one of these sand dollars out of here. Didn't need my scissors after all. And these are pretty weighted. They're pretty heavy. And same concept as the napkin ring. We're going to throw some glue on here and stick it to the can. So it's pretty heavy, so you're probably going to want to use a pretty good amount of glue. And then you're going to glue it on there. And then you have this cute little bucket decided to start with a sand dollar. How cool is that, guys? Like, super easy. What did that take? A minute tops, and that was mainly just opening up the container. Or you can, as I mentioned, you can also use the Starfish. Or if you want, you can also use other things that you want to glue on the tin, not just these nautical pieces. You can use other pieces of decor to glue on there as well. Okay, so for our next project, you know how I love to upcycle me some jars. So I have a jar right here. And then you can either use the decorative jute rope, or I found some really cool nautical cord as well. And then you'll need, you guessed it, sand dollars or starfish of your choice, and a glue gun. So I'm going to use the nautical rope. I can get it open here. There we go. And they have it taped. So I am going to put some glue down. It's the girls. They want to come out and play. They don't understand why mommy's here and they're not out running around with mommy. And you're just going to wrap the nautical rope around as many times as you want, securing it with some glue. That's Louise. And then I'm going to cut it here. So also you'll need some scissors if you want to cut your rope. Get your glue out. Sorry guys, I'm going to be moving to the basement, but I haven't quite done that yet, so I apologize for the girls and their noises. Hopefully you guys will forgive me. Alright, so we have the nautical rope on there, and you can do it as many times as you like. And then I'm going to use a starfish. Yep, that'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. What movie is that from, guys? Comment down below and let me know if you know what movie I'm referring. It's one of my favorite movies. It's so funny. Alright, look at that. Super cute starfish on some nautical rope. And you're done and done. Okay, you're going to want to grab yourself the set of tags from the Dollar Tree. Some cute guest napkins with the starfish on them. Some Mod Podge. And a sanding block. I'll show you why in a minute. And then optional will be a glue gun and some more of these little starfish or sand dollars. So I'm going to cut the cord on here. And I'm going to use the back side because it's easy and ready to go. And I'm going to take my napkin, and I'm just going to kind of cut it out a little bit so we don't have too much excess. Oh, sorry, and you also need a paintbrush. All right. So I'm going to, you can separate the napkin if you want, or you can leave it as it is. I'm going to go ahead and separate it out because I just want this piece. And then you're going to take your Mod Podge, give it a little shaky shake. And let's see if I can follow my less is more, because we all know I'm not so great at that. So I'm just going to take my Mod Podge and my brush, and I'm just going to cover the entire tag with it. And then going to lay the napkin on top, and then try to smooth it out as best I can. If you have a few wrinkles, that's all right. As I say, what guys? It gives it personality. Now you can Mod Podge on top. I am not, because it'll probably get even more wrinkly, but you could if you want to. And then here is where the sanding block comes into play. You're going to take it and just go straight down to get yourself a nice, clean edge. Check that out. All right, so I have my nice, clean edges from using the sanding block. And now I'm going to take one of these Starfish, because I like the Starfish. I think they're cute. And it goes with the Starfish on the napkins. How about that? And my trusty glue gun. So I'm going to see if this other Starfish is a little bit flatter, because that one's kind of curved. I mean, they're both curved, but I guess they're just going to be that way. So put some glue on your Starfish or sand dollar. Or if you even have seashells from one of your trips, if you manage to get to the beach and have your own seashells, you can use those too. Try not to get your fingers. I'm going to do a little bit on the edges here, because I think that's where it's going to be touching the tag the most. And then put your Starfish on there. And then you can take just like something there to pop a hole, because there is a hole there if you want to put your tag through there. So you can pop that hole in there. And then you can get your twine and reuse it. To twine back in the hole. Easier said than done. Or you can put ribbon through here. Some ribbon would be a really nice touch. See, guys, see how long it takes me to get this time through here. Oh, here we go, guys. Riding the struggle bus. I'm riding the struggle bus. All right, or you could cut your own twine. I'm going to get another piece of twine that's a little longer, because that one's a pain in the butt, but there you go.